Post-pandemic, Indian cinema or overall world cinema has seen a huge change amongst the audiences. People are more into quality than quantity when it comes to visiting the theaters.
अच्छा
And to please the audience and attract them to the big screens, movies are constantly evolving, especially in Indian landscape. Shuffling between multiple genres with various methods and skills has led many filmmakers to contemplate past successes in hopes of delivering an instant hit. However, this approach has often failed, and only a few brave visionaries have managed to set milestones on the roadmap of filmmaking. किसी महापुरुष ने कहा है, "Cinema remembers the brave, not the agreeable." And like that, there are two very specific genres which are and will be inevitable when it comes to pulling the audiences into the theaters. Mass and masala cinema. People often mix these two, while these two are completely polar opposite in terms of quality. मैंने mainstream सारे channels पे छान मारे, किसी ने भी इस पे बात नहीं की है.
Anyone? Sir?
And sum up with this is point of view, and today in this video I'll be discussing the two genres of Indian mainstream cinemas and how mass and masala cinemas are paradoxical and still work for the audiences. Let's understand and decipher the mass and masala cinema first. Let's take two of my favorite examples of each genre, KGF and Dhurandhar. आएगा इस पे वीडियो आएगा रिलीज से पहले. But listen to me here. KGF tells the story of a single hero who has endured many challenges, embodying a classic rags to riches narrative. While the character may not be the entirely unique, he possesses a captivating persona. The director orchestrates dramatic moments showcasing the hero as he confronts adversaries much larger than himself, often taking on hundreds of opponents alone. This journey is marked by emotional depth, complemented by powerful background scores and accentuated by slow motion scenes, where you will find the underlayering of a social theme. क्योंकि स्टार है, कुछ तो मैसेज देना जरूरी भी है ना, तभी तो लोग इन्फ्लुएंस होंगे.
गुलाम नहीं मालिक.
And you will have every high adrenaline thing that you want.
अपन तेरे बारे में सोचकर अभी बाथरूम में नहा रहा था.
It has mainly started with the writing of Salim Javed ji. But their quality of writing is far better than जो चप्पल छाप मूवी आए दिन आते रहे, जिसमें ऑरा फार्म के अलावा होता ही नहीं है कुछ. The best example can be Yash Chopra's Diwar. The movie resonates with the anti-establishment theme that reflects Amitabh Bachchan's anti-hero vigilante stature, and this is the ultimate definition of mass cinema. Now if I come back to KGF, to me this was an exceptionally well-made film featuring constructive writing and brilliant executed scenes that other creators are now trying to replicate. Similarly, in the realm of masala cinema, Dhurandhar stands out as an amalgamation of espionage, gangster and revenge drama, where every character inhabits their own world and has personal motives. In this narrative, no one serves the hero. Instead, they pursue individual agendas that converge at a central point. Here it was the revenge. The characters were so well written that for the side quests, you will remember them for long. The characters were all well developed, each with their own backstory that explains their presence alongside the antagonist or protagonist. You can envision and interpret them in various ways. That's something we call writing gold.
I have a scar, prosthetic scar है मेरा फिल्म के अंदर. तो वो स्कार उसको तब मिला था जब एक बार हेमंत डकैत के ऊपर हमला हुआ था और डोंगा उसको उससे मार रहे थे, कुल्हाड़ी से मार रहे थे और डोंगा सामने आ गया तो उसके सर पे लग गया था.
ऐसा नहीं है कि बस है तो है, क्या ही करना है साइड कैरेक्टर्स का, तुम स्टार पे फोकस करो ना अपना. It is never like that. So you have understood this basic difference, I think. The first scenario relies on the star with execution being a 50-50 split. In contrast, the second scenario depends entirely on execution and performance while maintaining a balance of all essential elements. एक है स्टार के कंधों के ऊपर, दूसरा स्टार बनाता है.
सड़क से उठाकर स्टार बना दूंगा मैं.
ये भी सत्य है.
Now you are thinking both are at the same margin. Then listen to this.
Different.
Mass cinema is actually killing the evolution of cinema. Generic statement, I know. Let's decipher it. The statement is true, but not 100%. Mass cinema is killing the evolution of cinema, but it depends upon the conviction of the makers. Example ले बागी को लग रहा है ना थर्ड क्लास एग्जाम्पल लिया है, but this is the reality of the movie industry. If any of the cinemas have done good business, it brings the charm of newness of the movies, then everybody sits to replicate that success. Nuances पे क्यों ही ध्यान देना जब गोर और एक्शन ही है छापे जाना. चलो बागी 4 तो बिजनेस नहीं कर पाया. That's good for the movies because there has been no such star who can pull the audience through the star power. But Pushpa 2, listen to me first. But Pushpa 2 would be a great example in this case. Look, I'm not saying that this movie is the same as like Baghi 4, but there is no such thing as having a box office like 1800 crore. It's only because of the pull that Allu Arjun holds among the BC Center audiences. People go crazy in his name. That's the star power that pulls a mediocre movie to the all-time blockbuster. But a masala movie demands a hold in the process of writing, where No Brainer didn't work for the audiences at all. Let's take an example again. Kalki could have been a mass film if it only focused on Prabhas as the core theme.
Here I come. Oh, here I come. Oh.
But director Nag Ashwin chose to prominently feature him to market the film, resulting in what many considered a cringe-worthy first half. This approach caters to the rebel fans.
इतनी वायलेंट क्यों है?
Die hard fans.
डाउन टू अर्थ बंदा, डाउन टू अर्थ.
Desire to see their star in the spotlight. However, when the film shifts focus to Deepika's character or Bachchan sir's character, it starts to take shape in the second half. और climax में तो मैं भी पागल हो गया था भाई. Now mass cinemas can be a blockage for the audience to experience more than the simple copy paste of once hit formula. No innovation, nothing.
और निकले.
And add one superstar, 100 crore on the first day तो पक्का है. The detrimental fact is that a mass cinema can uplift the stardom of a star like what Jawan did to Shah Rukh Khan, but can diminish that in a day if Shah Rukh replicates the same in his upcoming movie King. But a well-narrated masala movie can build a star like Dhurandhar to Ranveer or Animal to Ranbir. Now the audience. What does the audience want? A good masala movie can have a cultural identity, the biggest weapon of S.S. Rajamouli. It's a genre unique to the subcontinent. It's an art form to blend multiple different moods into a 3-hour-long film without feeling messy. I mean, that demands very clear and crisp writing and strong conviction rather than following any kind of a formula. Conviction होगा तो Animal, Dhurandhar, RRR जैसी मूवी आएगी. नहीं होगा तो आदि पुरुष और अभी रिसेंटली रिलीज्ड ओ रोमियो जैसी रायता फैलना तो तय है. The same goes for masala cinema. If it goes right, then it can be Pathaan for Shah Rukh, a feather in the cap of stardom. Otherwise, Sikandar for Salman. कबर खुद जाएगी करियर की.
Dude.
Now to answer the question what the audience wants, तो इसका कोई सही जवाब नहीं हो सकता.
चीटिंग करता है तू.
If anybody had cracked this, then he would have been unstoppable right now. A good mass cinema is helping the distributor and exhibitor. That's why they want their stars to work more. Also, because it's irrespective of the content, it's only of a face value. Also, it has to be beneficial for the stars. A boost to their career reaches to another level. And a good masala cinema is also like a slow burn where you will enjoy the movie at the theater and a few of the scenes that will stick in your mind, which will lead you to visit that again and again and again. और अगर music अच्छा हो तो the fact is that audiences are evolving. They will no longer support mediocrity. Last year proved this, and so far this year is also the same trend. In the future, masala cinema will dominate.
क्या? ये क्या बक रहा?
This is what I believe, this is what I think, and we can somehow predict it from the lineup. Typical mass cinema won't even attract audiences to the theaters. A name alone cannot guarantee footfall in the end. People can watch it in the Instagram later, na?
अब मैं बताता हूँ मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ। मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ यार।
And that's the video. सोचा सालगिरह पे कुछ conceptual video लाया जाए, so that's why this video. If it gets the love, then I have few theories that we can discuss in this channel mode in future probably. If there is something you like or dislike about this, then feel free to correct me in the comments. You can follow me on my socials. These are the handles. Thank you so much for watching. See you at the point.